What's going on, guys? This is Finance Media bringing you Hacking for Beginners. Here's a quick little video tutorial and insight of what you'll be learning.
So let's clarify exactly what do we mean by hacking. And who better to clarify this than one of the most brilliant hackers of our time? Did you know that the founder of Facebook is a hacker? These are some actual codes that were written by him. And this is what he says. In reality, hacking just means building something quickly or testing the boundaries of what can be done. It's not about causing damage or being malicious or causing havoc. This is the misconception about hacking. He says hacking is also an inherently hands-on and active discipline. Absolutely. You cannot be learning hacking by just reading books and watching videos. Throughout this course, you're going to be experiencing firsthand some hacking tools and how does it feel to break into a remote system. And the hacker culture is also extremely open.
Alright guys, that was a really cool little insight of what you'll be learning in this course. So the course name is Hacking for Beginners. Take the power of control of remote systems into your hands. So pretty much it's a course that teaches you, by the end of it, how to hack into remote systems. It really stresses that's an ethical course on hacking for beginners and not to be used negatively. So for all you hackers out there trying to rob a bank, I don't know if this is the course for you. But the course is rated 4.1 stars. Over 1,100 students are enrolled in it. The course is free for a limited time offer, so you guys should definitely click the link below and sign up now. What's included in this free course is an hour and 57-minute on-demand video. You have access on your mobile and you have lifetime access, so you can give it to your kids, family, friends, or use it at a later time. It does not matter. Some course details. You got 13 lessons throughout the course. It's a beginner level course, and there's a certificate available after you complete the course. What will you learn in this course? You'll learn the 4 components needed for ethical hacking. You'll learn the basics of vulnerability scanning. You'll learn the basics of port scanning, and you'll learn to exploit weaknesses to hack your target. Sounds pretty cool, guys. Sounds pretty cool. So a little description. The word hacker usually brings out negative associations, but what comes into your mind when you hear the words like Jobs, Gates, or Zuckerberg? The world would be a quite different place without them, right? But they were all hackers, and 2 of them probably still are. Some hackers break things, and there are hackers who improve things. The Hacking for Beginners course is for those who are curious to build things quickly and test the boundaries. So if this course sounds like the right thing for you, definitely go check it out. Links in the description. It is free, so you're really missing out on nothing. So some requirements to be able to do this beginning hacking course. You need basic computer knowledge. No previous hacking experience is needed. So for all you beginners out there who have never hacked before, this is the perfect course to get started. No program experience is needed, and you have to have an ethical hacking mindset. They don't want you causing havoc in the world. So the Hackers Academy has over 1,100 students, and they offer this course only, but it's rated 4.1 stars, and it's highly rated. So I definitely think you guys should check it out. Other than that, I hope you guys learned something from this, and have a great day. If you take this course, let me know in the comments how it went, and if you learned how to hack anything. Other than that, I'm Finance Media, and have a good day. Peace out.